Okay, when I thought about the sentiment, enjoy the little things, I thought, what do I enjoy? And when I craft, I love using gnomes, and I enjoy my cup of tea in the morning, so I went with that. So I pulled in my Peachy Mint Bliss paper along with the tea loving gnomes. They don't go together, but the colors match. And I have this little guy with his cup of tea, and he is just enjoying it. I did pull in some dots. I don't know if I'm going to use them or not. I took a piece of green cardstock and I embossed it. It's my mat. There's the papers that I'm using from my pattern paper. I have my sentiment piece, my card base, my sentiment, and my ink. Oh, I didn't get my punch. Oh, I'll wait because I want to see if I want 1 1/4 or 1 1/2. All right, let's put this here. All right, let me get my, here's my 1 1/4. Let's see how this goes. Okay, I think I'm going to do that. All right, got that. Now let's get our card put together. So I'm going to fold and burnish my card base. And then this goes on next. And because it's embossed, I'm going to use my double-sided tape. Let me make sure I have the right side. Nope, I didn't. This is the back side. I love this embossing folder. I use it a lot. It's just plain and simple. I will tell you, I ordered some new embossing folders that I kind of liked for Black Friday. So just looking for some others. I don't have many that are neutral, general type ones. Okay. Now, let me take my backs off. All right. One more, and then I can add this to my card base. Doesn't really matter, but I do want to have it the right way. And this is a little smaller than a normal one. So there's that. This one goes on next, and I need, it goes all the way across. So I need my double-sided tape, and I'm going to put double-sided tape on that also while I have it. So then I can just pull the backs off and craft away. Make sure you follow me so that you can get all my ideas for this. Also, leave me a comment and let me know which card is your favorite that I have done so far. I'm not halfway through. I have to hit 12 and I'll be halfway through. So, all right, this one goes on next. So let me burnish the ends. I think I'm just gonna take off all the pieces, and then I'm ready to go. Isn't that little gnome cute? I've been looking for some cute gnomes. I want some general ones. I don't want it, like you can find them for the holidays. You can find them for Christmas and Valentine's Day. I want ones I can use whenever I want, and it just stuck to it. Oh no. All right, I'm gonna heat it. Hang on. All right, I got it. All right, this goes in just about the middle. Good thing I have the double-sided tape because it does warp when you do that. And then this goes on, and it did take some of the color off, but I think I'll be okay with it. I think I'm gonna put it here. All right. And again, I'm glad I have my double-sided tape because it warps when you do that. That tape is stickier than any I've ever had. All right, now this piece I'm going to put on next. And the reason I'm going to put it on next is I want it placed down here, like so. And this guy is going to go on, and he's going to go right about there, front and center. And I'm going to need some more dimensionals or foam adhesives. So let me grab some. Okay, I hope these are the same thickness. They look like they are. I like the skinnier ones, so I've been using these thinner ones, I should say, not skinny. Trying to use these up so I can use my thin ones. All right. Let's add him here, and I'm going to hide those places that I messed up. Oh, isn't he cute? We've got to have some gems on there. I don't know if these are going to work. Those are kind of lost, but the lighter ones would work. So I'm going to use the lighter ones. So I'm going to use this one. And this one. And this one. And then down here at the bottom, I'm going to add one there, and I'm going to go across for some interest. All right, come on, little one, get off of here. There it is. Let me go this way so I can look at it. And there's our next idea. I hope you're enjoying this. I'm having a blast. Have a great day. Bye.